Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to sign up for an account on the Shein app. So let's dive in. Open the Shein app on your smart device and make sure you're signed into your account. By opening the Shein application on the home page in the upper left corner of the screen, you can see the option, Sign In, Register, and then click on it. Then on the next page, you can see an empty field in which the application asks you to enter your email or your number. If you enter your email, the application will ask you for a password from your email, and then you will click on the Sign In option. And if you want to sign in via a number, just enter the phone number and the application will send you a code that you will enter in the field and then click on Sign In. But if you don't want to bother with the fact that they will insert your email or number in particular, then simply go to the option Continue with Google or to the option Continue with Facebook. But yes, provided that you are already registered on these two applications. By clicking on any of these two options, the application will automatically recognize your account and create a new one on the Shein application. And there you go, your account is created. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily create a Shein account and start shopping right away. It's a quick and easy process that opens up a world of fashion and deals. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more shopping tips and app tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.